Happy Easter, everyone. I hope you're all enjoying your Sunday with family, with loved ones, with your special someone. It's a day to rejoice, and we're back. I'm back, and I'm so excited. It's like a cleansing weekend that I had. So I'm just really so happy to be back and to see you all. And so today I thought I will talk about how a normal day would work for me. So, a few tips on how I fill my day with activities and create a positive day. So, and stay youthful, stay hopeful, stay positive, and how I embrace my age. Okay? When I wake up, I drink water right away. I have become so used to it that I could drink one huge mug or jug of water in the morning. And that's what I do. And then after that, I always make it a point to wash my face and rinse with lukewarm water. Lukewarm to a little bit on the warmer side, and then soap and cleanse and all that stuff, and then I rinse with lukewarm. And then when I know that my face is really clean already, then I rinse with ice cold water. Back in the day, I would get a cube of ice and really rub it around my face. But ever since I was like 20, 25, 26, I would follow that advice from my mom. And I know Meryl Streep would used to rinse her face with a bucket of crushed ice. So one day I should try that, right? And then, of course, I'll have my hot drink, tea or coffee. I love that. And remember, don't take your coffee with sugar if you can. Definitely not granulated, not added sugar. So I take it with cream. One day I'm going to take it black because apparently that's really good for metabolism. So one more to take away, the cream. Otherwise, I don't take it with sugar. And then, of course, after I take my coffee, I start planning, working on my diary, my calendar, like what do I want to talk about? What are my plans? What am I going to do today to, inspire other people, to bring hope, bring joy to those who are following me? I don't have very many followers, but I value every single one of you. And I really am just so happy that you're all there and reading what I post, listening to what I say, and I really thank you so much. And so after that, going through my calendar and all that stuff. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how I fix myself, get ready and prep myself for the camera, right? So otherwise, yes, I go and plan for the day. Now, I always make it a point to do my choreo, my dance, my workout at least 4 times a week, at most probably 5. And in the summertime, I would do those, plus I'd be hiking with my youngest daughter or going to Zumba classes with my eldest. That was before COVID. So really, right now we're doing everything online, and I'm very happy because the other Saturday, I actually had this first time Zumba dance workout via Zoom. So it was a test for me. And remember, you can always feel young if you have so much positivity in your life. And that's our goal. Have a great weekend. I got some good feedback, so we're going to do that. And my next session is going to be actually a full dance workout, meaning to say that we are going to work on steps together. And at the end, towards the end of the episode or of the show or of the segment, we're going to create our dance number together. So I'm so excited. And I am actually right now collaborating with a with a Zumba instructor. So we're going to come up with a Zumba workout. So that's good. I'm working on some salsa workouts. So stay tuned for that. The week is never boring. It's always busy, but it's always a positive busy for me. I get ready Monday to Friday. I work regularly, but I wake up very early, like 5 or 5:30 in the morning, because I have to work on my show, Everiathing and or the real D. So both of these programs are really, really important for me, really valuable for me. And then I get ready for work. I leave for work at like 8 o'clock. I'm back by 5:30, and that's when I start working on my dance choreography or my workouts, or I start preparing dinner. Otherwise, my eldest also prepares dinner, so that's really, really good. And then I sleep quite late because I have to work on the projects, and I'm very excited too because Pursuit 365, the book where I am co-author, is really, really doing great wonders for everyone. I've heard so much feedback. I've been receiving so much beautiful comments and feedback about the stories that are on there. My story and the stories of 364 more empowering Canadian women, plus our publisher, of course, Shelley Lynn Hughes, her team, Andrea, Jen, Donna. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful milestone. And take note, because we are going to come up with empowering Canadian men for 2022. So if you know of any empowering Canadian men, let us know, let me know, let our team know, because we have to share anything that's positive, anything that's empowering has to be told, because we will never have enough inspiring stories, right? So yes, that's what I have to say right now. I hope that you are all enjoying your April, your spring. Take advantage of the sunny days. I know that we will have lots of sun soon, so that's what I do when it's sunny. I go out, try to go to the park, try to go to the beach. If I can go walk by the beach every morning or every sunset, I am going to do that. But if not, then we can always just enjoy at home. Imagine that we are hearing the breeze and things like that. So many things that creativity can do for us, right? So never be afraid to be creative, to imagine things, to work with your photos, your memories, your write stories, or anything that makes you really get out of your comfort zone and do something positive and exciting. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. In the meantime, be happy, be hopeful, be positive, be inspired, be motivated, because no matter what age we are in, we can always learn new things. We can always go on adventures. We can always try to do things that we've never done before and experience a whole new you. Remember, you are the goal. Anything that you do outside or around yourself will always be focused on a new, improved, and happy you. Bye for now.